Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by testing immediate controls so you don't chase the wrong cause. First, pull down Control Center and move the brightness slider to see immediate response. Next, go Settings, right arrow Accessibility, right arrow Display, and text size and turn Auto Brightness off. This forces manual control and reveals if the sensor is misbehaving. Also disable True Tone and Night Shift, and make sure Low Power Mode is off so the system isn't limiting peak brightness. Once done with basics, run deeper diagnostics to separate software from hardware. Restart the iPhone and install the latest iOS. Updates often fix display drivers. Clean the ambient light sensor near the front camera and remove any case or protector that could block light. If brightness still fluctuates, reset all settings to clear corrupt configs or restore a backup on another device to see if the issue persists, which indicates hardware rather than settings. To finish, back up your data and perform a DFU restore if software fixes failed. DFU rules out firmware corruption. After the restore, test brightness, looking for flicker, uneven areas, or color shifts that imply a failing display or ambient sensor. If problems persist, check warranty and contact Apple support or an authorized repair shop for sensor or screen replacement. Troubleshooting tip: if brightness still inconsistent, test in a dark room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.